Welcome to video number 4 of WordPress tutorial for users. In this video we will show you how to add the functionality of your website. Plugins are ways to extend and add to the functionality that already exists in WordPress. Plugins allow you to add new features to your WordPress blog that don't come standard with the default installation. There are a rich variety of available plugins for WordPress, and with the following screens, plugin installation and management is a snap. From the administration panel, go to Plugins menu. Click Add New. Type in the name of the WordPress plugin or descriptive keyword or author or tag in the search box. Find the WordPress plugin you wish to install. Click Details for more information about the plugin and instructions you may wish to print or save to help set up the plugin. Click Install Now to install the WordPress plugin. Click Activate Plugin to activate it, or return to Plugin Installer for further actions. Now we have added the functionality of having contact forms in the website. I can use the contact form in Pages and Posts. I will go to Contact, then Contact Forms. I will copy the shortcode of the contact form which I will use. Then I will go to Pages, and I will create a new page with title Contact Us. Then I will paste the shortcode in the page, and I will publish it. Now I have a Contact Us page with contact form. In this video, we have learned how to install the WordPress plugins. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Watch next. Publishing pages in WordPress. If you like our videos, like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel to watch our recent videos.